Kamlesh. So I'm here to present one of the upcoming technology in the market. So everybody heard about it. So that's called cloud computing. As of today, every organization is trying to put the applications or so-called businesses in the cloud and try to interact each and everywhere. So basically, like what you want to look for should be easily available. So the cloud, basically what I am looking into is Windows Azure. So there are a lot of different other companies which are hosting their clouds. So that is like Amazon, Google has that, Dell has it. So everybody has their own cloud systems, and majorly, and the only thing like which I'm taking the topic right now is the Windows Azure. So here's the presentation which I have created for the cloud is the Windows Azure. So Windows Azure, the cloud with the ultimate possibilities. So this one, Windows Azure is an open and flexible cloud platform that enables each and every application to be built quickly and deployed into the systems which are not hosted in your local environment. Let me give you a small description like what exactly happens in the cloud. So the main thing is you don't have any infrastructure located in your environment or anywhere else. All the infrastructure, the servers, the like the servers, I say, the SQL databases, the web servers, all these are hosted somewhere else, and you'll be given an access to interact with that. So what you do with the interaction, basically. So let me answer that myself. So the interaction is like you try to run an application, you try to create some information in the database, you try to retrieve the information from the database. So these are all the interactions. So the major benefit of doing that is like you don't need to maintain your infrastructure, and you are cutting a lot of costs on that. So somebody else is hosting for you. If there is any downtime, they are responsible. So they will be making sure every server is up and running. And the beautiful part here is like when there is an updates coming in. So the person, like the organization who is hosting your service, Microsoft, so they will be doing all the updates for you. So if you have any specific updates or like what do you call it, the patches for the software. So if you want to do that, so they'll be doing everything for you. You just need to specify this is what I want. So this is what the Windows Azure Cloud possibilities are. The next one is I'll be going into the features. What exactly are the features available with this? So as I covered this, it's always up, always open. So no need to worry about it. And the next one is the open. What exactly is an open? Windows Azure enables you to use any language. So we have multiple languages in the software. So say for example C, C++, Unix, Java, and C#, VB, VB.NET, all these languages. So you can code in any language, whichever you are flexible in. So that is all open. So that's one of the feature, and the next feature is ultimate servers and ultimate storage. Sorry, unlimited storage. So the unlimited storage, as you all know, so how much you can save in the database. So how much you want to retrieve the data and how long you want to keep the data. So that's what everything is all about. And the next thing is the powerful capabilities. What Windows Azure delivers: a flexible cloud platform that can satisfy any application needs. So that's where it comes with the patches and each and everything. So if you want to install the service packs, so if you want to keep your service pack, whatever you have created, or upload that. So those are the few things which you want to keep that running. And you can store, like if you go to the database, it's all a relational database as of nowadays. So it's all whatever you want to specify. You can design your own database, you can publish that, and you can see what exactly the structure you want. So there are like main features which you want to cover. So that's what it is. And the last one which I wanted to say is like the performance wise and the licenses wise, you are pretty much comfortable with that, and it's not gonna cost that high if you are investing in your local environment or local infrastructure. So that's all about the cloud computing is. Thank you.
Okay, a couple of questions for this man.
Anybody, any questions?
I got a question. How did they ever come up with that name? Any idea?
Cloud, they want to like centralize the servers. So
Wait.
it's like I am not very much sure like how they came up with that particular name, but they want to like everybody can store their information at one server and retrieve it.
Is the idea that it's kind of up there in the
Yeah.
cloud somewhere?
Exactly.
That's exactly that meaning.
Exactly that.
They said
Up somewhere.
you don't care. It is there.
It's just up
That
there.
it's accessible to
somebody
you.
is maintaining that and you can use it.
It's accessible to
Yeah, you can pay it and use it as you go.
Second question. Are some people a bit nervous though that seems like maybe a loss of security control, that it's out there somewhere?
Yes, there are a lot of security possibilities. Like